This is how you put the snap side door or replacement side door back in place in case you snap it out. Note if you've already tried this and you already know you're trying to stick it in doesn't work too well, but you can see if you look really closely in here, you see where the latch of the pin goes in, right? What you probably didn't realize was that you press in here and press this button here and slide this out. So you see that? It slides right out a little bit, and that's how you can go ahead then align the single pin in here to go ahead and stick the door back on. So that's the missing key in case you're having trouble putting the door back on or getting your replacement door back on. Don't force it or you'll snap it. Once you do it the way that I just showed there, it just becomes very easy to go ahead and snap that pin in place and then lock it right up over there. All right, that's it for this quick tip. Thanks for watching.